Okay, I'm going to show you how to get Zoom video conferencing on your MacBook to do a one-on-one remote lesson with a basic desktop capture and the built-in camera on your Mac. We're going to do a quick search for Zoom conferencing software, and I'm going straight to the downloads page, and we're going to download Zoom Client for Meetings. And after you've downloaded it, we've installed it, and we're going to open it from our applications. When we sign in, we're going to go to this login screen. You'll create an account and log in, and it will bring you to this window. So from here, we have two choices. We can either create a new meeting or we can join a pre-existing meeting. And if we click this drop-down menu, that we can start with video, and we'll start a new meeting. It sees my webcam automatically, and it asks to join with computer audio. Now, if this isn't what you want to see or hear, go to the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, and you could choose other options for cameras and other options for microphones. If we want to change our audio settings, we can change our microphone. I'll select my interface so you can see the mic I'm talking to you on the screen. If we go to advanced, we have some options to take out some of the background noise or the sound of the room. Under video, we can change our webcam. If we go to recording, we can change the location if we choose to record our meeting. And we're going to close out. So if we go to the bottom bar, we can see we have an option to invite. We can choose to email or copy the URL or invitation. And we see our meeting password in the bottom right-hand corner. We can also see our meeting information in the upper left-hand corner of the Zoom window, our meeting ID and password, and we have the option to copy the URL and invite people with the link. If your partner would like to share their screen, next to the share screen button on the bottom bar, there's an option to let more people share their screen at a time if you'd like. So I'm going to click on share my screen. This is kind of cool. To share your display through your phone or iPad, you'll have to install a plugin. It will download automatically. And it brings me to this screen right here. I enabled screen mirroring on my phone, and I get this display right here, and I start mirroring my display. Heck yeah. You may want to go to your settings and change your display and brightness, auto lock settings to never while you're using. So let's open up a camera. It's not bad, but let's get rid of those black bars. Minimalist camera, camera vision. Let's look at full pics. All right, and open it up. Cool. If we're teaching piano lessons and we want to put a camera above the piano, it might look like this. I'm sure there's other freeware out there if you'd like to use something different. But I'm going to stop my share because I would like to share my desktop. And we want to make sure that we're sharing our computer sound. And there we are. Our controls have moved up to the top. We can annotate, draw on the window, we can write text, and we can undo and change our color and style settings. Let me close out of this. Zoom's design is real nice. Their own windows don't show up in the stream, so whoever you're streaming with won't see this display window that's on the screen right now. If we look at the More tab on the top menu, we can record, chat, invite, other settings, as well as ending our meeting, and we're going to do that. And meeting for all. I hope that was helpful. Thank you. I'll see you soon.